Guys, I'm gonna build my dream sneaker room, but I need your help. So a couple months back, as you guys know, I posted a video on the channel. I moved house. I needed more space and I also wanted to live next door to my brother. And since then, there's been a decent amount of updates. So today, I'm gonna show you guys. So welcome to Studio A. What a transition. We'll just briefly show you guys what I have in this room. This is right now the main filming room. Well, pretty much everything is the same as what I had in the last place. So lights are the same, the shelves are the same. It's just now we're filming like this, front on instead of side on or diagonal. So even though like a few of you guys in the comment section were saying like this is a cool background, I wanted to make something a little bit crazier, a little bit cooler as well, and something a little bit different than just having a ton of sneakers behind you. So that's what we're gonna try and do today. Today is step one, episode one. Any suggestions that you guys have down in the comment section, if I use it in the next video, I'll make sure that I let you guys know who gave that suggestion and if I actually used it. Just a couple new bits of equipment, camera, the monitor over here. Normally I have a bunch of tripods holding like camera, mic, lights. This pole basically moves everything to the ceiling. Because I've hung so much off of here, like a whole entire monitor, obviously 2 lights, it's extremely heavy. You can see this over here kind of slipping down. I mean, today it's fine, but one day I'm gonna be shooting a video and this whole thing is gonna collapse on my head. Last 2 corners of this place before we head out, we've got equipment in that corner. You just pan over there. And over here is the unboxing station. So anything or any sneakers that I'm gonna be talking about lands up on this shelf. Which, to be fair, we could probably unbox this in today's video. I was gonna save this for an unboxing video. Let's just do it today. Today's just a little bit of a wild card of a video. I'll show you guys something I've been working on. So you see this over here, this massive painting. I don't know if you can tell with the light, but that's handmade. No, I didn't go to an art exhibition. I made that. Or actually, I didn't make that one. Morgan, you made that one. I made this one over here, which I mean is obviously way better. I feel like it should be in the front and center. Drop it down in the comment section. Which one is better? Mine over here or Morgan's one? Okay, let's unbox this. Why not? This I was supposed to get ages ago. I've been super excited for this pair of shoes. I was gonna get them early. That didn't work out. So damn. Let's bring it over here. This is probably one of the coolest boxes. Like the coolest use of a sleeve where it's like dark, and then as you pull it up, like you can see the sun, because the idea of this shoe is like the sunset, right, on the back. As you pull it out, you can see the whole city, and then you've got the J Balvin logo over there. People have been saying like this is one of the best sneakers this year. Okay, so this is the J Balvin, you get that little tag there. Medellin Sunset, I think is how you say it. Wow, this color is so nice. The entire upper with these like yellow lines with the leather over here, so it kind of looks like a Union collab. These could be up there as one of the best this year, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, I'm gonna have to wear them around a little bit. Do these glow in the dark or something? They kind of look like they would glow in the dark. Just wanted to show you guys these. Yeah, they were super limited, way more limited than I think a lot of people thought. Look at the back there, you got the smiley face on one, and on the other one, you've got the Nike Air branding. Little lightning bolt over there. J Balvin's signature logo. Let's head upstairs. So I'm gonna show you guys Studio B. So this is the office. Not too much to see in here. Moving in here, welcome to the stock room, or the future sneaker room. This is what we're gonna be working on, so it will look like a little bit of a construction site in here. But, so yeah, as of right now, it's the stock room. So take a look at the stock. This is basically the entire sneaker collection. I mean, you guys remember when I moved in here and I just had them all just piled up, and that was basically just crushing boxes. So now I've got a shelf, nice wooden one, very affordable. Obviously I use this as sneaker storage, and also as you can see, we've got another pole up here. So this is where I do my top-down shots for when I'm doing like, when I'm unboxing a pair of shoes. This over here is a tabletop, and I've got a table over here. So anytime I'm unboxing a pair of shoes, put this thing up underneath there, attach the camera. The idea behind this room, I'm gonna show you guys some sketches of my vision for this place. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the sound is way better in this room, and that's because of these panels over here. I bought enough panels to entirely cover this wall, and I'm hoping this could be part of the new sneaker room because it'd be sick to record in here because this completely changes the audio, makes it sound way better. This is basically just, it's some wooden panels on top, or wooden slats. So here's some kind of mock-ups of what the room could look like, including those slats in there. So we've got, this is the wall, how it would look like. We've got a little plant over here. These dunks are just like, it was just the first images that we found, okay? It's not gonna be those shoes, but you get the idea with these shoes. They would be attached with little acrylic panels, so it would kind of sit underneath, kind of like you see in like a sneaker store or something. Then we'd have a name for it over here. Sneaker room, just going for something super basic to start off with, but we can literally have any kind of sign. This would be like a neon sign in the room. So this is kind of like the first design. Then we've got this one over here. So a big circle, it'd be basically a backing with the name, shoes a little bit off center, and then an LED strip going down there. We still got the light over here. This design, which is a lot more sneakers. We've got 9 in total, and then this one. 4 different room designs. We're going to get to work building this. So yeah, guys, this is hopefully episode 1 of building the dream sneaker room, and I'm hoping we can add a lot more pieces to this than just a wall. You know, we can add a couch in there. We can add all kinds of stuff. But yeah, I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with me and see if you guys have any suggestions. So feel free. Any crazy ideas, throw it down in the comment section, and if I use your idea, episode 2, I'll let you guys know. We're gonna get to work building it, and I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts down in the comment section, so drop it down there, guys. But that pretty much wraps it up.